Here it's going so nice and it's closing. What does this mean?
So in the overall, you will get it like an feeling for work. Yeah. So these are like a pleasant feel. It will give some a pleasant
mean?
feel when you. So all these hinges are soft closing, madam.
Okay.
So as we leave, it will close very soft.
Oh, very nice actually. And then please lift this no house. Not only the bedroom. Bedroom's window is also so colorful. So they have what is this actually? Full size mirror.
Full size mirror. So from our experience, what we can say is we can go with plain shutters for kitchen and with post foaming for the bedroom.
Your light lamp or something like that, and then you can keep your watches where whatever. If you come out with a very tired time, so you can just. Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to Ramya's Modular Kitchen and Interiors. You are about to watch our latest video with stunning interior works that will help you to imagine and plan your dream design home interior. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Now please enjoy watching our YouTube channel. Thank you. So we are in the other phase of this bedroom. So here they have some working table with a rolling chair. So they have very well planned and they have designed it so much. So they have designed very well here. So nowadays we all are doing work from home only. So if we feel tired, we can just take a rest and we can come again and we can sit here and we can work. And then most of the people are doing the night works, night shifts. So that time, no, if this will be a very well idea actually. What do you think about this?
So this actually placed in the perfect place. So as you can see in the whole wall, we have separated some space for wardrobe and some space for stair unit. So in the overall, you will get it like an feeling for work. So in the between also we have done some small works.
Small woodwork.
Yeah. So these are like a pleasant feel. It will give some a pleasant feel when you are working. So in the top we have given this wall box, within which we can keep books and everything. So these glasses are also very premium. So you can see this diamond types of stones in the glass. These are really very premium, madam.
Okay. And then I want to ask you something. Say this door, no, if we leave this door in our house, no, it will go and it will bang on the shelf. But here it's going so nice and it's closing. What does this mean?
So all these hinges are soft closing, madam.
Okay.
So as we leave, it will close very softly.
Okay.
So that's why we call it soft hinges. So these are the hinges.
Okay.
So these are all customized.
So it's everything is customized. Yeah. And then you have very well matched this bedroom to this color, this beige color, no? Yes. This beige woodwork, no? You have matched this. Along with this, you have matched the screen also. Yeah. I just found the screen. It was so nice. It was lifting and it was coming down. It was so nice. You have matched, very well matched. This is also done by your Ramya Modular Kitchen?
Yeah, everything A to Z, whatever we have here, we have Ramya Modular Kitchen only have done this.
Oh, very nice actually. And then please lift this, no?
Sure.
So Ramya Modular Kitchen and Ramya Modular Kitchen and Home Interior works not only house, not only the bedroom, and the bedroom's what to say this? Bedroom's window is also so colorful. So they have what is this actually?
This is a window cover sticker, madam.
Sticker.
So this sticker gives privacy.
Okay.
As well as these colors also we can customize. So as you can see, we have matched with
matching with the so brilliant, so brilliant.
Place we have utilized it, and we also made it aesthetic.
Okay.
So we can close it back.
Yes, please. So this was actually nicely matched with this wallpaper. The window is also nicely matched with the wallpaper. And then we are coming to another wood cupboard here, dressing table cum cupboard. So this is a full size mirror.
Full size mirror.
Okay.
So here, just a simple difference from the other wardrobe in the same bedroom we saw.
Yes.
So here we have used the texture laminate only, but we have used in the combination of other alternative doors.
Okay.
Also, this pattern of the door is plain shutters.
Okay.
So there we saw like an just a bend in the corners.
So here we have a
Here we
sharp.
have sharp edges. This is plain shutters. So all these are customized by ourselves. So for the customers also we give this advice. So whichever they want, they can go with. So they can they want post forming, they can go with post forming, or like this plain shutters.
Okay.
Yes,
Now you tell me which will be the good thing to have in the bedroom. Either this sharp work or that's molded work.
So from our experience, what we can say is we can go with plain shutters for kitchen and with post forming for the bedroom.
Okay.
So this is actually a standard design format for the all interiors.
Why so?
So like for the this is 7 feet height. So for this kind of 7 feet height doors, when you do for post forming, so some error will be like an alignment. If there is any change in plain shutters, it may look odd. But for the post forming, it will look very much uniform. So for that reason, for the height reason, we can go for post forming in the bedroom, and in the kitchen we can go with plain shutters.
Yeah. And then in the loft, I have to talk about this loft also. So you have matched the loft also in the different opposite colors. No, here is a light beige and there is a dark beige. There is a dark beige and the up is a light beige. So you alternative. You have matched everything. So you have a lots and lots of storage, and you have covered it very well. And then I want to ask about this handle.
Yeah. These are larger than the usual handles.
Okay.
So these are also very premium handles, madam. So there are n number of handle designs we are providing with the customers. So apart from that, our sir has chosen some premium handles. So you were discussing about the loft, madam. So loft here is not provided with a civil. So this is not there is an RCC or nothing. So loft is also woodwork only. So as you can see in the bottom, so this is also all woodwork only.
Ah, okay.
So on the other side, we are
Generally
actually
they will build in the cement, no? They
Yeah,
will build
RCC.
in the, cement, and they will just cover
Will
the
close.
door alone.
Yeah.
But you have done it in the full of wood.
Yeah, with my height I can reach, so I will just open and show.
Yes.
So like
If I stand in the stool also, I can't able to reach that. I know that. But it's so nice. And here also you have a...
yes, madam, both sides.
Both sides you have. Okay. Provision.
So also we have provided the side table with the granite top.
With the granite, you can keep a light lamp or something. Of course, we don't need light lamp here because the bedroom is so colorful and so bright. So if you want something, you can keep your light lamp or something like that, and then you can keep your watches whatever. If you come out with a very tired time, so you can just remove your watch or ring, whatever something. You can
For charge.
yes, for charger, and you can keep your purse, headphones, mobiles, or a watch, whatever accessories, whatever you want, you can just keep it here. It will be safe at your bedroom. Front of the TV in the bedroom, in the SARS bedroom. So here they have kept the wallpaper. Wallpaper is so nice with the green, mild green with the golden flower that was so embossed. It's look so amazing, and it's giving a mild and positive feeling. So this TV, in the TV unit, they have kept the LED inside, LED color inside. So when you sit and watch in the bedroom, if you switch off all the lights and if you watch the TV, you will feel that you are in the theater. It's giving that much feel to see the TV. So tell me about this idea. How you got this idea?
So this one is basically, madam, in the top we are having a structure, this beam was there. So as you can see, this place is not much.
Yes.
So if we do a TV unit, the minimum depth of the TV unit is about 12 to 15 inches.
Okay.
So if we do that, it will be very constrained for us to even walk here without bumbling over this TV unit. So what we did is that we just made an even surface from the beam, and then we took the depth of that and we made it as a show unit.
Okay.
So in the three sides of the TV, we did this strip light. With the strip light, there are more colors. It is very colorful to see. And in the center, in the center, we have given the TV unit. Yes.
Oh, visible to the bed. Okay.
In the best spot, we have kept the TV unit. As you said, in the background of the TV unit also, we have provided the strip light.
Okay. The switch boxes is also so nice, and it is also going with the wallpaper. So it is not that much big of the switches or that much small of the switches. So it is so easy to use all the switches here. So it is so nice. And then tell me, this is wood or it's a concrete?
This is wood, madam. That is what I was explaining. So the concrete was ending in the top. With the AC height itself.
Oh, good. Till
So after that, there was nothing.
Nothing.
There was just a depth.
Okay.
So that depth, we just with the plywood made it even surface.
So here you don't have a concrete at
Yes,
all. It was full of a plywood.
just
Oh,
plywood.
Okay.
And then we did this wallpaper. So as you can see, it is unbelievable to think that it is not RCC. We have done this.
Oh, yeah.
It is like we have done something in the wall,
Yes.
but it is not that case. We just made an even surface and then we did the depth.
Yeah, it is so nice actually. It is so very nice.
So this is all our MD's idea, madam.
Oh, very nice. ரம்யா மாடுலர் கிச்சன் அண்ட் இன்டீரியர்ஸோட யூடியூப் சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம கீழே பெல் ஐகான் இருக்கும், அதை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. அப்படி ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தான் லேட்டஸ்ட் இன்டீரியர் வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்கள் பார்க்க முடியும். நம்ம யூடியூப் சேனலில் வர ஹோம் இன்டீரியர்ஸ் ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்து அதோட ரேட் என்ன அப்படின்னு தெரியலையே நீங்கள் வருத்தப்படுறீங்களா? கவலையே படாதீங்க. நம்மளுடைய டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் ஜென்ரல் எஸ்டிமேட்னு ஒரு லிங்க் இருக்கும். அதை நீங்கள் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன ப்ரைஸ், என்ன கிரேட் எல்லாமே டீட்டெயிலாக அதில் இருக்கும். இன்னமும் உங்களுக்கு சந்தேகம் இருந்ததுன்னா கீழவே காண்டாக்ட் நம்பர் இருக்கும். அதுக்கு நீங்கள் கால் பண்ணீங்கன்னா இன்னும் விலாவரியாக எல்லா சந்தேகங்களையும் நீங்கள் தீர்த்துக்கலாம்.
நான் திரைப்பட இயக்குனர் வசனகர்த்தா லியாக்கத் அலி கான். ரம்யா மாடுலர் கிச்சன் அண்ட் இன்டீரியர்ஸ் யூடியூப் சேனலுக்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படி ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணால் உங்களுக்கு லேட்டஸ்ட் வீடியோ நிறைய கிடைக்கும்.
ரம்யா மாடலிங் கிச்சனுக்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.
ரம்யா மாடல் கிச்சன் யூடியூப் எல்லாரும் பாருங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறந்துடாதீங்க, மிஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க, கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள்.
ரம்யா மாடுலர் கிச்சன் அண்ட் இன்டீரியர்ஸ் யூடியூப்க்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் கீழே இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any suggestions or review about us, please let us know in the comments below. To watch more creative and elegant videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest interior projects. If you wanted your home interior to be designed by us, contact us with the number provided in the description below. Yes, you have lots and lots of awards here that was received by our sir, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
So this is also like both sides we have kept showing it so that we can showcase all the awards in the previous years. We can showcase all that. As you can see with the spotlights, they are like very highlighting the TV unit. The awards are highlighting the TV unit, right?
The TV unit is also highlighting the award. We can say it like that.
So for this TV unit, we have used these handles. These are also premium.
Okay.
So they are very good looking for a TV unit like this. So
You have kept the LED lights, or the colored LED lights for the TV also. It's treat for our eyes. It's giving a good treat for our eyes. So this is a glass, or what material is this?
this is toughened glass, madam. So you can just feel just by doing your hands like that. So it is texture. So these leaves, as you can actually feel it.
Yes, it's embossed actually.
Yes, embossed.
And this is a crockery because you have a lots of glasses here, like drinking glasses, right? Yes, that was also very nicely designed with the toughened glass with this design with the stone, and then you can keep the plates or something here.
Yeah, also like we have points here.
You have
can
points,
just keep charging the
mobile chargers, laptops, everything.
You can serve easily from here to the dining.
Yes.
So place near to the dining so that we can keep here and serve from here.
Here.